Everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open your settings, scroll down, click on to general management, then you get Samsung keyboard settings. Press on and select language and type. Okay, showing here language, or if you want to add your mother language, press on to manage input language, and showing here old language. So you need to first download or click on to download. Okay, then get this option. Now turn on my mother language and go back, and I'm use. So open my keyboard, like I'm open my keyboard, and I'm change language from my keyboard. Just tap on, then change my language, then change my language. So that's it.